How to create reminder on Google Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create reminder on Google Mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google and then click on your profile here in top corner, and now click this one, reminders, and here just click this one, create, and here type title, and here select the date or place, and then it's time here and repeats, and then just click save. And as you see, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.